Hello, bro.
Welcome, man. Welcome back. How
Hi,
are
man.
you?
All right. So,
Beautiful.
in
Been a long, long time.
yeah, a lot of things. Yeah, a lot of things happen as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. What
Uh,
happened
so
yesterday?
yeah, my sister got admitted because prior to this she had an accident
Hmm.
and she's having the side effects now, backbone pain and all that. So had to
Yeah,
admit.
that's dangerous. But is she currently in hospital
Yeah, she's in the
still?
hospital.
All right.
They're running some MRI scans and also
Hmm.
X-rays and all that everything
Yeah. About accident
because
is always what comes after usually.
yeah, correct. Because prior to this, they said that there was a hairline crack, but they couldn't do
Hmm.
anything with it because it's too faint, right?
Hmm.
And then now the pain came back, so probably it cracked or something. We never know. Just have
Yeah.
to let's see how it goes.
Mhm. I see the result of the scan.
Yeah, she's been crying and crying for the past few days.
Yeah, because
So
the worst case is like internal bleeding and
yeah,
leftover
I
time.
mean we can't really
Mm.
see what is happening inside. That's the main issue.
Yeah, it's true, bro.
Yeah. So I think today or tomorrow they'll bring out the reports. So
Mhm.
based on that, we might need to send her to a specialist because
Yeah.
today they ran physiotherapy and also I requested them to go and check her nerves as well. Just
Yeah.
because backbone is connected to the nerves as well. Yeah?
Mm.
So
Yeah, she
yeah,
could
let's see
be
how it
like,
goes.
like we don't want the worst thing to happen, and
Yeah,
yeah,
correct.
there's
Because if
always
it's
this
connected to the
story.
nerve, then you might go, you might be limping and all that, everything.
Yeah, just try to avoid all this the vegetable sleep and all those. Mm.
Yeah, yeah.
There's a lot of people take that
See,
for granted in the early stage.
it's yeah, it's difficult. Right? So she
Mm.
doesn't really drink proper, she doesn't really intake a lot of calcium as well. So there might be an issue as well.
Yeah,
Hi,
probably need to
hi,
have.
Welcome, Uncle Ambrose.
Mm.
Welcome back, Uncle.
Hi, uncle.
hi,
Uncle,
Gambro.
your audio is too slow, I think. Yeah, it's like you're standing in Seberang Jaya and we are in Puchong. Can't really hear much.
Mine's okay, right?
Oh, Uncle David. Welcome, Uncle David. Yeah,
Hey,
yes, it's fine, Uncle. Welcome, welcome. Peace be with everyone.
peace with you, peace with you. So how's your journey? Like,
Journey was very good, Uncle.
I
Tiring, but
thought
yeah, worth
oh, I
it.
thought you went to Wuxi or what, but no, you went to Batu Pahat. Hey, what?
Went everywhere, Uncle. Went
Oh,
everywhere and then came back.
oh, you went with Leo, is it?
Yeah, Leo was there. No, no. Lastly we went with Leo, but then prior to that, Leo was at home.
Oh,
The last place was to Terengganu.
oh, I don't know.
Yeah, a whole. I think it was close to 1 or 2 weeks trip.
Mm.
Right. Can we start with the analysis, everyone? I think we can jump in. Right.
All right.
Uncle Ambrose, are you done with the mic? Ready? Yeah, we'll wait for Uncle Ambrose. Welcome, Oliver. Oh, everyone is here today. Welcome, Oliver. Welcome back, man.
Thank you, thank you.
Sorry, bro.
I said thank you.
Okay. Isa, you can unmute your mic, no worries, because I'll be asking questions as well.
All right. All right, bro.
All right. We'll just wait for Uncle Ambrose and then we can start. Yes. I was at Uncle Ambrose's place as well.
Oh yeah,
Yes.
maybe the Penang.
Yeah, met him there. Niraj was there as well, but then didn't have the chance to meet him.
Ah, yeah, I heard from Jason Abaniraj is there as well. So I
Yeah,
was surprised.
he went to his grandparents' place. I didn't want to go
Ah,
to his grandparents' place.
tak apalah, jumpa sini lah.
Yeah. Yeah, just
Okay.
wait for uncle. By the way, I'm running a $20 account here. Let's see how far we can grow it.
Mm. All right.
Baru buka study.
Yeah, open a $20 account as well.
Nice.
Yeah, according to
Plan
what you
is
said.
to maybe 20K in the next 5 months, but we'll see.
20K.
Yeah.
Next one.
And try and flip it. Take the proper entries. Small lot
Mm.
size, and then slowly we increase. Welcome, Uncle Ambrose. Can you hear us, Uncle? So your audio is still a little bit faint. Uncle having some issues with that. Wait, Amil is here. So why is everyone here today for London? Cuti hari ni?
Yes, bro.
Oh shit.
Tuesday. Yeah.
Yeah, today is 2nd
Okay,
June.
Ah.
Mm.
What holiday is it?
It's a
Yeah,
country,
today
I
is the,
think.
I think continues the last holiday today. Yeah.
The Vesak.
From
Oh, I
Sunday,
see.
Monday to Tuesday, and tomorrow all day.
Kawai Dayak.
Mm.
Yeah, Uncle's audio is still very slow. It's fine, Uncle. No worries. I will just begin. If not, we'll miss the trade. Right. So starting with the daily time frame, we can clearly see that the candle went down, created a long bottom wick, and now it's trying to push back to the upside. The problem that I see is we might reject this resistance that we have on the left, and might go back to the downside. But as we know, if Asian, we pushed up, London, we're expecting a sell to come in. Because we pushed, now we need a pullback to the downside for New York to continue back higher. But we'll only be properly bullish if you break the previous candle high for this at this moment, right? Because we're very close by to the previous resistance. It's just around 80 to 70 pips plus or minus. So keeping that in mind, yes, we are plan A buys, plan B sells, but I'm leaning more towards the sells, just because we are sitting at London session, right? Moving down to the hour 4 time frame, previous hour 4 was super strong bearish, breaking previous resistance and closing above resistance as well. So that is telling us that your price wants to go back higher. We do have a clean range back to this resistance as well. So current candle is overextended. We can't do much with that, right? We have another 15 minutes for the new candle to open up on the hourly. So that might bring in some volume for us to push higher. But, candle is still overextended. Even if you want to go higher, I need to see the next candle creating a proper bottom wick, a proper pullback to the downside, and then continue back to the upside. So ideally, I would like to see a pause and go setup on the hour 4, something like this. Or maybe a long bottom wick candle on the hour 4 as well. So something like this. That is an ideal buy entry. But as of for now, I'm not really keen with the buys. It's quite extended. It's very, very risky. Moving down to the hourly time frame, current hour 1 doesn't have a bottom wick. We did break the previous high, but at this time we are rejecting this previous support that we have over here. So yeah, price is a little bit messy. It's all overextended. There's no consolidation for us to break out of. So I think we may need to wait a little bit longer, up till 3:30 or even 4 o'clock. Moving down to the 30-minute time frame. Before that, daily bullish overextended, however bullish overextended. Moving down to the 30, we do have a no trading zone, but candle is still overextended as well. So I'm more keen on the sells, but I need to see price breaking below the support. If you break below this, then we could potentially look for a clean sell back to the downside. Very, very nice range back to the lows. And if you break the highs again for the second time, this is not really a clean range, but we'll see how it goes. I'm not really happy with the buys. I'm just going to focus on the sells. As for buys, I want to see price consolidating first. We need to see a proper consolidation, meaning a new support form, a new resistance form, and then we break the high. That will be a better entry point. So no buys for today. I'm just going to be waiting for the sells to come in. So as for the sells, we can go with plan A, because now I'm shifting towards the sells, right? So I'm going to keep my plan A to sells. So option 1, plan A entry is going to be a type B sell from this resistance to this support impulse, focusing on volume at 3 o'clock. And second point of entry would be a closure below this. That's the only trick that we have. So 2 entries. That's it. If plan A and plan B doesn't work out, call it a day, come back tomorrow. Right, moving down to the 15-minute time frame, exact same idea. It's a new candle, doesn't have a bottom wick. So Ideally, I would like to see a proper top wick form first before breaking the previous low for us to go in with the impulse type B. But we do have a clean range, so I won't be using 1%. I don't think so. I'm gonna go with half the risk because the buys are messy, the sells are messy. Everything is overextended. We don't have proper structure. I need to see structure in order for us to go with the full 1%. Right? Any further questions, anyone? All clear?
Clear, bro.
All right, beautiful. So we're just gonna wait. There's nothing for now. So let's see. Let's see what happens. And last option, plan C. If this current candle closes bullish above, and then the next candle creates a bottom wick and breaks the high, a potential buy. That's the only buy. Other than that, nope. Sorry. Why is the color so light? So, yeah, but yeah, this is what I want to see. Type D buy on the next candle. If we break the high, but not if not, then I'm just gonna jump into the sells and pulse. By the way, Uncle David, how are you, Uncle? Long time no see.
Yeah, okay. We're
Yeah.
busy, lah. No, sometimes it's always clash. No, during
Timing.
the timing, yeah, always clash, lah.
Yeah.
Morning, I gotta wake up and then I gotta take Bruno out, and then I must send. First thing I must send Marina to OTK LRT, and I come back,
Right.
must settle Bruno and the breakfast, and then get ready for the lunch and all those things. Gotta
Okay.
check up, auntie check up,
Mm.
always clashes.
No worries. Right. So yeah, my entry will be at the bottom here, type, volume, and also the entry point price is at 453166. I do have a sell stop at 453166. Just waiting for this current candidate to create a proper top wick, break the lows. We're just going with our trade idea. That's it. The type P impulse, right? I need the candle to flip and break it slow. And that will be in the trade. Stop loss is going to be plus minus about 50 pips. Amil, this is what I meant by anticipating your stop loss, right? Price hasn't broke the low yet, but we are looking at the previous candle range, right? The whole candle is around 69 pips, rounding up to 70 pips. So half of it is going to be somewhere probably around 50 pips, right?
50.
Sorry,
Okay.
40 pips, for 35 to 40 pips.
35. Okay.
So yeah, we need to include our stop loss. We need to include our spread and all that. So we'll just round it off to about, let's go with 43. 43 pips should be good.
Okay.
So now you see we got our stop loss way before executing the trade. So now you know what lot size to use. So based on the one that we did yesterday, the calculation, right? Just
Yes,
follow
bro.
that. And yeah, just go with it. 43 pips. Round it off to 45, that'll be easier. Trade. All right, let's see what happens. Yes, technically everything is very strong bullish, but we're just going to take a quick counter trend entry. This is us working around the candle. We got another 10 more minutes to go before volume comes in. Let's see what happens.
At which timing? 5 minutes, 15 minutes.
I'm watching the 15
Oh,
minutes.
15.
Quite a riskier setup, go with half the risk. Right.
So if you're coming into things,
Yeah, almost there. 453166. Very, very close. Put another there. Uh, 453164. Just to compensate the spread. Not in yet, still waiting. Still waiting. Is that your $20 is on USDC or standard?
It should be standard. Yeah, but I
Standard,
just
nice.
top up yesterday. I just I'm gonna check out if it's already in.
Alright, beautiful. Hot forex, is it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So if the current candle body closes bullish above the resistance, then there's no sales. It becomes invalid. 9 more minutes to go for volume to come in. And yeah, it looks like the war is back on, so things might be a little bit messy. They're back to bombing each other.
Yeah, get right back at it.
Yeah. Surprisingly, India is gonna be the negotiator all of a sudden, out of nowhere.
No, this time.
Yeah, prior to this, it was Pakistan. It didn't work out. And now they're giving India a go.
Yeah, I think countries gonna take turns being the negotiator.
Yeah, negotiator. Last jatuh kat Malaysia.
Last
Hidup PMX.
scenario.
Yeah. It was a done deal with the Thailand and Vietnam border with PMX. Got it done prior to
Yeah.
this.
Still the states took the credit.
Yeah.
Yeah, out of nowhere.
Not bad, not bad.
Yeah, Terix stepping down. Tending to step down. Yeah, too much demands. Can make anyone happy. Can't make everyone happy.
Yeah, everyone has their own point of view of everything. Today they said that the president of Iran is stepping down or something.
he reached create of this thing. I don't see it's gonna end anytime soon.
Yeah,
So
I
it's
don't think so.
continuing.
Yeah, Pezeshkian, that's his name. He resigned. Yeah, it's official.
Oh.
I don't know who is that guy. Shit. I put it in the group.
All right.
Oh man, it's messing around. 5 more minutes. 5 does look good. Consolidation. 13. Right, I'm gonna remove the sell stop. We're gonna wait for the candle to close and then execute later on the next 30. Right, remove your sell stop, everyone. Now it's too risky because we have 5 minutes to go and we have not broken the low yet. It means that we might close bullish because we are respecting and forming a potential support. So just to be safe, we're gonna remove our sell stop. Four minutes to go for the closure.
Invalid?
Yeah, invalid at this
Alright.
point. I mean, it's not invalid, it's just the timing is not right because candle is gonna close in the next 3 minutes.
Mm.
And we have not broken the low, which means there's no volume in the market yet. And also, we might be forming a support here. I don't want to be selling when price is forming a support.
Alright.
But if the next candle creates a top week and breaks this low, still valid for the sells.
Aye.
But at that point, we do need a proper top week because it's a new hourly candle. Just gonna wait. 30 looks quite good actually. Quite good. 4 minutes to go. Let's go.
But you took a trade yesterday on this account?
Yesterday, nope, tak ada.
Ah.
I put in 100 ringgit and then it turns out to be $23. I wanted it to be exactly 20.
Exactly, probably gonna be about 90 ringgit, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, correct. This is the first day for that account.
Mm.
Once you pass the $500 mark, it's gonna be easy. You can use 0.5 for your trades. It's double or triple it.
Yeah, bigger risk.
Yeah, bigger risk.
But of course with proper management.
Proper entry, proper risk management.
Yeah.
3 minutes go. Let's see. Up till $100, I'm gonna stick with 0.01, 0.02. Once we go above 100, then maybe you can pull in 0.03, 0.04 and above.
Alright. Got it, man.
Because your stop loss on average around 30 to 40 pips at this point. So it should be fine. No worries. Right, it looks like we're gonna close bullish. Let's see. 30. Yeah, quite risky. 2 minutes. Uncle, we are out of the trade now. We don't have any limit order. We're just waiting. Just gonna wait for the scanner to close. 1 more minute to go. So it looks like our plan C might work out. All right. Beautiful. Beautiful. Volume coming in. So range. We don't really have a clean range here, but can work with this. 70 pips. Yeah, good enough. Ten seconds. So the next candle needs to leave behind a substantial bottom wick. It needs to tap this support here. Sorry, the previous resistance. If it doesn't do that, I'm not gonna go in. I want to see price tapping this and then rejecting. So leave behind a bottom wick over here and then flip. If not, no entry for the buys. The sells are still an option. It's still an option if you break this. Top wick. At the moment, no entry. Just waiting. Cells is gonna be about 70 pips stop loss. Okay, lah, not bad. You can bring it down to 45 on the 30 break. Sorry, 30 body of the high of the body. 45 to 40. All right. I need to see price tapping this area and then rejecting. Don't jump into any trades anytime soon. Just be patient.
But by the way, bro, this account is the premium or zero spread?
Zero spread.
Zero
I
spread.
need a tighter spread. I think premium is $100 minimum.
Premium.
This is zero spread.
This
So we
is
get a
zero
tighter entry.
All right.
The tighter, the better. All right. There you go. Didn't really tap, but I would say it's a good enough stop loss. 50% of the previous candle. Right, I do have a buy stop at 453713. 453713. So stop loss is gonna be probably about 30 to 40 pips. But we'll see. And the moment the candle breaks the previous low, I'm just gonna jump into the sells immediately. Disregarding the buys. So if you break this low, we're gonna go into a sell. It's either the plan A or the plan C to work out. And the sells is based on the 30 breaking the previous low. The buys is based on the 15 flipping bullish and going up. Yeah, good enough. Slow day, very slow. I think Asian took up all the volume, pre-Asian and also pre-London.
All the buys.
Yeah, all the buys. Really hoping for the sells to come in, but let's see. And Isa, with small accounts, right, you don't really focus on winning big, just focus on compounding your account. Even if it's a small win or a small loss, right? Just focus on compounding.
So do I still need to focus on the 1-to-1 ratio?
Yeah, 100%. You need to.
All right. That by 20 to 30 pips, I can secure.
Yep.
All right.
So 1-to-1 is gonna be at what is this? 454114. Take profit. Everything is on the screen, just follow that. The moment I get out of the trade, you guys get out as well. I'm gonna just be watching it closely. We haven't really pushed properly, but let's see. half the risk, so I'm willing to risk it. But we're giving it a second chance later on for the cells if it doesn't work out now. Right now, I don't want to see the candle going back down to 50%. If it goes back to 50, I'm going to close full. Come on, volume, where you at? Hey. 50% I'm up. 50% I'm up.
50% of previous candle?
Of the current stop loss. So
Ah.
$2. Stop loss is $40, $4. If I see $2, I'm up. Because he went down, created a proper bottom wick, and now it should just push up, shouldn't come back down. Still holding. Still holding. Let's bring it up to $2. Stop loss. Where's my stop loss not moving? Come on, man. Let's go. So anyone, if you're not confident with this trade at this any moment, this is where you should get out of the trade in profits. If you're not happy with how it's moving. But I just brought my stop loss to 50%. And if it doesn't work out, I'm gonna lose about 50%. Sorry, 0.5%. Still waiting on the 1-to-1 to be tapped. 1-to-1. Come on, brother. Come on. Halfway there, let's go. Halfway there. Anyone happy with the profits? Get out now, right? That's 20 pips for you. Beautiful trade. Beautiful. If you want to go break even, that's fine as well. But I will just be holding. I'm going to bring my stop loss a little bit higher. Exactly at $2. Sorry, $1.34. So if we lose the trade, we're going to lose $1.34. We risked about $4. And I don't mind losing $1. It's fine. Come on, brother. I can do it. Can do it.
Almost there.
10 more pips. 10 more pips. Right. So I'm gonna secure now. Yep, happy with that. Secured, everyone. Good trade. Congrats. Beautiful. Almost there to 30. Almost there to 30. Let's go. Everyone secure? All secure? All so silent.
Not in.
Oh, I went silent. Okay.
Oh, Jay is in it. So welcome, Jay. Jay, did you secure, Jay?
No, bro, I never
Yeah.
entered. So
Bro, why?
no.
Why?
When I gave me fly already, so I couldn't.
Amil sempat.
Yeah, bro.
Sempat.
Sampai.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Oh,
Good trade.
man.
Good trade. Let's have a trade. So it's a type D buy. Let me go with the recap on the entry, right? Let's start with the daily. Good trade. When the markets are messy, I really like to hold my trades. I will just get out, almost hit TP, just ciao. You get your 20, 30 pips. Right, starting back from the daily, we were bullish, very strong bullish. I was expecting, anticipating a sell to come in, but didn't really work out. But besides that, we still did have a range for us to fill in on the daily candle, about 70 to 50 pips, plus minus. So we took advantage of that range that we had. Moving down to the hour 4 time frame, we do have a clean range back to the upside, very, very clean range. But the only problem with that is everything is super overextended. So I'm not happy with holding the trade longer. Right, so that's the reason why we got out earlier. The moment we tapped this hour 4 resistance, we out. That's it. Moving down to the 15-minute time frame, the reason why we execute the trade is very, very simple, actually. Let's zoom out. Right, we have a resistance on the previous area over here. Right, we have a resistance over there. Previous candle closed bullish above resistance. Next candle went down, created a proper bottom wick, broke the high, and then we got in. It's a textbook type A plus a type D entry at the same time. Right, the execution is based on the type A, the formation and the structure is based on the type D buy. It's very simple, very straightforward. Right? Clear, everyone, on the trade?
Great for me.
Yeah, bro.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Hit TP, eh? If anyone is still holding, for sure hit TP. Beautiful. Good trade. Good trade. So there, that's the trade. Let me put that in the group. Give me a second. Made around $4 today. Sorry, $3 plus. Good enough.
All right.
All right. How much did you make, Isa?
I didn't manage to get in yet. I'm trying to open the account.
Ah, shit.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna, if you can, just join in the London every day, if you have the time, so that we can take trades together, and then grow the account together as well. Oh man, that's a beautiful push. Good trade, good trade. Finally, the volume came in. But notice how we didn't get out of the trade too early. We waited for it to do its thing first, and then we went with the SOP, right? So the problem with closing too early is because it's a new hourly candle. As I mentioned earlier, we do need a substantial bottom wick. And that bottom wick will only be printed once we tap a previous resistance, or in case of a sell, a previous support, right? So in this scenario here, we went down, right? We went down. We didn't close anything yet. We were just holding the trade because we expected price to come and tap this area and then flip bullish. That's the whole idea. Higher highs and higher lows. Chapter 1, lesson number 1. Higher high, higher low, higher high. So let's go down to the 1 minute time frame and look at the structure. So look at this. Moving down to the 1 minute time frame, this is somewhere over here is where we executed before the push, right? So price went up, came down, created a bottom wick, and then finally it went back to the upside. So as we mentioned, higher high, higher low, higher high. So ideally, anything above this support, we are still bullish. So that is why we have our stop loss on the 30-minute bottom wick. As long as we respect our bottom wick, we will still be holding the area, which is this here. Right, clear everyone?
Clear.
All right, beautiful. So what's the time? Yeah, we'll head off at 3:30, see if we can get a second trade. Tengok apa harga buat. Good trade, good trade. Amil, any further questions, Amil? All good.
All good, bro.
All right, beautiful. Tapi esok kerja balik kan?
Yes,
Tak.
bro.
Yeah, I'll back to work tomorrow.
Shit. So what can we do? What can we do? Uncle Ambrose, is your mic fine, Uncle? I want to ask you questions.
This testing, okay. Can you
Yeah,
hear
I
me?
think I can hear you, but
Mm.
then you're still
Still
very
low, huh?
distant. Yeah, still. It's fine. We can still hear you, Uncle. Uncle, are you okay with shifting to New York session, Uncle?
Okay.
Can, eh? Right. So in that case, I think maybe tomorrow onwards, we're just gonna execute trades for New York. Everyone back to New York session. Nobody for London, no for Asia.
So no London lah.
All right.
No more London. If there is a trade, I just put it in the group.
Okay.
But we'll go live for New York because now for London session only Uncle Ambrose alone is joining in.
Yeah. That's
And the others, everyone is joining in for New York. So I think it's better that we just focus on New York session.
okay.
Because New York usually we go with education and also entry. But then this month I decided to drop the education. It's gonna be education on Mondays and Fridays. And then Tuesdays to Thursdays, we can go with daily entries as usual. I will be analyzing, I will be giving out trades, and also at the same time, anyone has any questions, we can just ask and we can have a crash course as well on the entry or anything, whatever it is. So timing, 9. Isa, what time will you be free, bro? Isa.
Uh, for today, I think tonight I have no issue in terms of the timing. For normal day, it's going to be about 9:30, 10 onwards. Yeah.
9:30, 10, 9:30. So we're gonna skip pre-New York. We're gonna go with New York open. Yeah, I think 10 o'clock should be fine. 9:30 or 10 o'clock. I will go live at 9 o'clock. Right. So whoever is free, just join in early. We'll try and take a trade during New York session at 9. Because with New York, how it works is there's 8 o'clock volume,
Yeah.
sometimes 7:30, 8:30, 9:30, and then 11:30. 10 o'clock rarely it works out. Right, 10 o'clock we call it the void. It's like 10 o'clock for Asian as well. There won't be a trade.
Yeah.
So ideally it's around 9 o'clock or 11 o'clock. It's either one.
Okay, bro.
So yeah, so whoever comes in early just get the trade, and then Isa will have his session at 11.
All right.
So we're back to nighttime traders.
All right.
So you can sleep in the morning once you are profitable, sleep in the morning, wake up and trade at night.
Yeah, how about the rest? Kelvin and Oliver?
Galvin he is executing New York session entries. I'm not sure about Oliver. We'll have to rediscuss with Oliver later because Oliver is back to education now, so you're not really focused on
see.
entry for now.
All right.
By the way, Isa, you are back with education as well, correct? This month?
This one, yes.
All right, beautiful. So you, Oliver, and Amil back to education.
Yep.
Just for 1 month. Got 10 more minutes to go. By the way, Isa, can I have your Excel sheet? The one that
yeah, bro.
belum
I
siap lagi.
will. Yeah, belum siap lagi.
No worries. By the way, what's your concern on your entries and your trading as well? Do you have any topics or subjects that you want to go more in depth into?
Okay, so currently I feel like I understand for most part of it. Just that
Right.
for me, all of the trades that I took is mostly in losses. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
because for especially for off sessions one, in most cases I'm unable to manage. Right, so those would bring in most of the losses, like
yeah,
about like $100 and so on.
yeah.
But as of the New York, sometimes I don't really get a good trade, so most of the time I just don't get in. Yeah.
Right. So yeah, I mean the easiest way is just to drop the non-off session entries. That's the
Mm.
only way to solve that. So besides that, when it comes to session entries, what we can do is, because your session is mainly during New York session and you have to work around the candles. There's no way around it, right?
Right.
So we're gonna focus on impulse entries. So that's what we're gonna do tonight, impulse entries.
Mhm.
And yeah, that's the only thing, like impulse entries. So we're gonna do that for 1 whole month, right?
Okay.
I will give you a few trade ideas and also trade examples as well. Like today, the trade that we took is an impulse entry as well, based on the 15, right?
Yeah.
It was a very short trade, but we executed. It worked out, right? So
Mhm.
that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna work around the candles, identify structures, identify previous resistance, previous support, and go to the basics of it, like higher high and higher low and all that. So
Yeah.
trying to build a plan based on structure rather than candle formation. That's what I'm trying to say. So like
Mhm.
earlier, we got the trade based on rejection on the 30-minute time frame, based on the hour 4 time frame and all that. So for that to work out, you need to understand what your daily hour 4 and your hour 1 are doing. It needs to correlate with each other. So we need to go into a little bit of top-down analysis as well.
All right.
So impulse entries and top-down analysis. That's the two main subjects. Besides that, is everything fine? Your risk management and all that.
Mm.
If risk management is fine, then we don't really need to go into that. I mean, it's quite straightforward. You just follow the SOP, the written ones, right?
All right. Yeah, I think I try to avoid like later New York sessions. Yeah, because most of the volume is fine
Yes.
out to be like that.
Just stick to your timing, and that one session that's good enough, right?
Mm. All right.
Yep. But I still need you to send me the analysis and all that. Just don't take entries.
Okay. All
Right,
right.
just send me analysis. Don't take entries. Focus on one trade a day for the
Mm.
for the whole month, for this month. And if you can, try and use the live account, one
All
trade
right.
a day.
Sure.
$20. Realistically, I would say if you take proper entries every day, you make around $5, $3, or sometimes even $10.
Mhm.
You can grow it to 300 or 200 by the end of the month easily.
All right.
So that's
Yeah.
what your goal is going to be. Let's set it at $100,
Mm.
$20 to $100. It's quite possible.
Yeah.
Like today we made around $4. Tomorrow we made another 4. We are up close to $40 already.
Mm. Yeah, I try to be more disciplined on that one.
Yeah, don't bother about making big money, right?
Mhm.
Focus on making small amounts and compounding slowly. End of the month, you have $1,000 in your bank.
All right.
All right. Like today, I made $4. I'm happy with that.
And still win.
Yeah, still, I mean, percentage wise, that's a lot compared to your
Yeah.
$20 account.
Yeah, out of 20.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that would be all for based on my trade on May.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because I do believe that your bias is right. Your counter trend entries are also correct as well. Just that there's no volume when you execute. It's not moving in your direction.
Mm.
It's just stuck there and so on.
Yeah.
But besides that, one thing that I notice is sometimes you do execute a little bit too late on your entries.
Mm. Yep.
So the only way to fix that is to use buy stop, sell stop. Don't go with impulse. Sorry, don't go with market execution. Just go with buy stop, sell stop.
Mhm. Okay.
Like for me, 99% of the time I will just go with buy stop, sell stop. Rarely I go with instant execution. That's the
Mm.
easiest way for you to get into the right time and to not accidentally go in too late or too early.
Yeah, just like the example today.
Yeah, correct. we had our cell swap there, but then we didn't go in, right? We waited until it properly broke the loop.
Yep.
We gave it some space as well. That's what you're supposed to do. Same goes for the buys as well.
All right.
Right. I do believe there will be a second trade at 3:30, so I'm gonna wait for 3:30. Try and get a second entry. Jay, you can execute the second trade. Whoever who got the win, there's no second entry for you.
Alright, bro.
Still hoping for the sales to come in. Still hoping for that. Buyers is still quite bearish for me. Amil, how was the mulled wine, Amil?
Yesterday, okay, lah,
Yeah.
bro. I'm pretty drunk last night. I
You
poured a lot
cannot
of
taste it.
whiskey. I just give my dad a little try. I see damn raw.
Yeah, because you put a lot of whiskey, that's why.
Yeah.
Christmas time, they usually use gin. They don't pour whiskey, they pour in gin or sometimes bourbon.
Oh. But okay, lah, bro. It tastes nice, bro. But it's
Yeah.
when it's hot time, only very nice to drink.
Yeah, once it cools down, it won't be that nice. You need to panas per sedap.
Yeah.
As I mentioned, like, you drink that in Genting or Cameron. Very nice. Cold weather and then some
Very
hot
nice,
mulled
bro.
wine. Very, very nice. Ooh, looks like cells might work up. Let's see. Good. Small jalan dulu. What is he saying? Isa, open up the live account under zero spread. Jangan lupa.
Yeah. Got that done.
Two minutes to go. Looks good for a type B. Where is Kelvin, man? Type B is here. Kelvin tak ada. Type B king.
That king.
Oliver left. Why did he leave? Uncle Ambrose, did you manage to secure the trade?
Yeah, I did.
Alright, beautiful. On plan A, look out. Plan A, let's go. 1 more minute. 1 more minute to go. I just hope it doesn't just break and dump down. That's the only thing.
We'll be waiting
Before
for
we
the
close.
cells, right?
Yeah, waiting for the cells. Yes.
So the same in the
Oh, one
15
is
minutes,
current.
right?
30 minutes.
Or 30 minutes.
Yeah. There's no second trade for you, Uncle, because earlier you got a win, right? One trade a day, that's it. So we're waiting for this current candle to close bearish. Next candle create a top wick, break the previous candle low, and then we're going for a sell. That was our plan A. Going with the rejection. Who is that? Isa, tonight we'll go live at around 9:30 or 9 o'clock because I'll be heading for a prayer later tonight.
Sure, no
Once
problem.
I'm back, we can go live. Or because you cuti hari ni, if I'm back earlier, then we can go live earlier as well.
Yeah, no problem. 8, 9, no problem, I think. Yeah.
And no proper torque weak. But if it breaks, it's gonna dump. Yeah, missed the trick.
330.
I need to see a proper torque weak. This is too small. The break of this impulse 27 pip stop loss. Just let it, give it a minute. Give it a minute. Yeah, that's good. That's good. I want to see a torque weak at least towards 50% of the body. Bare minimum 50%. And then we break the low, that's a valid sell. I'll be going in on the other account. All right. Beautiful. So for those who did not execute earlier, your second entry is going to be at the break of the current candle low and also the previous candle low as well. So it's going to be around 453154. 453154. If it doesn't break, there's no trade. You just have to wait for the next candle. Clean candle back to the downside. 140 pips. Very nice. Very nice. Stop loss is going to be huge, so let's go with the body. 27 pips. Overall is 40 pips. Right, coming in. Jeez. The red line represents our entry point. Red line.
Yeah, bro. The code is XAUUSDB.
Yeah, correct. B represents an ECN account.
Uh,
All right. Oh man, too bright. Jay, be ready, Jay. Don't miss the trade. Don't go in too early. Put in a sell stop.
Done already, bro.
Come on, brother. Come on. Stop loss is around 40 pips. If you want a tighter stop, it's gonna be around 20 pips on the candle top, candle body top. This is technically an impulse entry. By the way, we're live on YouTube as well. Can I rewatch later on? But I didn't set up the OBS, so it's on Zoom. Quality might be a little bit bad, but it's fine. 720p. No 1080p.
Always.
you use a new device, bro.
No, I just didn't set up the mic yet. I removed it.
I see.
Because I was cleaning the table earlier, left the
Mhm.
house, and then the house is all full of fur because of Leo.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
When you got back, bro? Today,
Yesterday or day before yesterday. I think it was day before yesterday.
Interesting. I'll be very tiring.
Boleh lah. Okay. You can see a lot of volume coming in, but it doesn't really want to break the zone. That's the problem.
It doesn't even tap.
Yeah, it's weird. Isa, you saw the new ROG Li
Oh, heaven, bro.
with OLED, bro, OLED screen. Shit.
Finally.
Yeah, finally.
Oh,
But the problem is you have to buy it with the package, the what's it called, the AR glasses or some shit. You have to wear the thing.
yeah, the X1 Aero
Yeah,
glasses.
that's the one. The only way for you to buy that device is to get it with a package, and it's gonna cost about 6,000 or 7,000 easily.
Yeah. ROG being overpriced is the normies nowadays.
Yeah. Look at the Kojima tablet, 13,000.
Oh, but that is beautiful, bro.
But it's beautiful, man. It's beautiful.
Like damn pretty.
Yeah.
I don't mind traveling with that. Even the case looks slick.
Yep. I mean, it looks like you're bringing the baby in the case.
Oh yeah. But that's definitely gonna go into the collection.
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
How much is it, bro? 30K,
Which one?
17K.
13 plus 13. But that was
13.
on launch. Now because of the price of AI, sorry, the chips and all, I think it went up probably.
Yeah.
Steam Deck is 4,000, bro, base model. It's crazy, man.
4,000, bro. You might as well just get the previous LI.
Yeah, I mean you can get a whole gaming PC set for that.
Yeah. Handheld is too over because of the AI
Yeah.
pricing and RAM.
It's the chips that they use and also the RAM, yeah, especially.
But too much for nowadays.
Yep. I think we are lucky, we got it earlier.
Very lucky, bro.
Yeah, because
Even
now
like,
the hype is like skyrocketing, yeah, for handhelds.
yeah, and people are hunting for it.
Yeah.
And there's a bunch of scammers as well, selling a very cheap price and then you get a different
Yeah,
device in total.
you get a tin box.
Yeah.
And what is price doing? Shit. So if the current 15 closes doji and then the next candle creates a bottom wick and breaks the high, we are back to buys. We are not gonna go down. It's basically a dancing candle entry on the 30-minute. It's creating a bottom wick for you to flip back to the upside. But I need to see the 15 closing doji bearish. Next candle break the high, impulse type B. And this entry is just gonna skyrocket straight away.
Execute at the same candle.
So this is what I mean by working around the candle. Going with impulse entries. You need to figure out what you're gonna do and what is the potential probability that price might go up or even go down. And that's what you're gonna practice on, Isa.
Yeah, I need to do that a lot.
Yep.
I see a lot of possibilities, but I'm not sure if it's gonna be all right or not. Since you
Yes.
mentioned it, yeah, just need to try it out.
I mean, to make it simple, your 30 is just going down, creating a bottom wick, and then probably gonna flip back up. Howley went down even steeper to create a proper bottom wick, and then it's gonna flip back to the upside. And your Howell fall, yeah, it's just gonna close bullish. Simple as that. So we correlated the higher time frame with the lower time frame based on a potential entry point on the next candle. And realistically, the next candle doesn't really need a bottom wick. You can just break and shoot. It's a higher high and a higher low structure.
All right.
So higher high, higher low, higher high.
It
Let
goes
me see
back
if you
up.
can get it. Can get an example. Yeah, that's the one. Exactly like this. Yeah.
Okay, the bottom and goes back up.
But you know, this candle left behind a long top wick. We want a
Yeah.
shorter top wick so that we get a better entry point. See if you can get a cleaner one. Let's see.
But currently we're still looking for the sales trend.
If you break the lows, it's gonna be the sells. But if you don't break the low and close as a bearish, then it's gonna be back to the buys.
All right.
Yeah, this is the perfect one. Guys, any this one.
Okay. Yeah.
Let me draw that for you. This is
Just
exactly what we are looking for.
That's the end.
Understand? Clear?
Yep.
All right. So you need to be able to memorize the formations in your mind, and when you look at the charts, you need to be able to adapt the markets as well.
All right.
Understand or even foresee the formations before they print, before the candles print. I mean, that will take a long time, but there's no way around it, especially for your session.
Might take longer.
Yeah. But if you just want to drop education and you just want to follow my entries, that's fine as well. It's up to you. I mean, but don't give up so fast. Just not even 1 year in.
Still hoping towards the growth towards this. Yeah.
Yeah. Seeing it's 20, if this $20 managed to go to 20K, then you just resign straight away. Bro.
It's a whole different story, but
20%, I mean, $20,000, 1% is about $200.
$100 per trade.
Yeah. Even if you make 5%, it's more than enough. $1,000.
Yeah. More than enough comparing to whatever I earn.
What's the time? 3:43. This is a problem.
October, November, December.
Two more minutes. Jay, remove yourself. Stop. Now it's too late. We need to wait for the 15 to close. Exactly like what we did earlier. If it breaks and push down, it's fine. You can go in on.
Went in.
Did you remove
actually
your shit?
No, I remove.
Nasib baik. Okay.
I got in because I didn't manage to.
You got in. All right.
Yeah.
All right. No worries. Yeah. Next candle is basically a type A sell.
Just gonna manage this.
It's 0.01. I hope. Correct.
Oh shit. It's 02.
Oh right. So $8. Yeah, $8.
Where it goes
Tough.
up, you can.
Tough.
Who's in? You guys are
Right.
in.
No. Isa
I'm
alone.
in, yeah.
Nobody else.
So I
rule
managed to
of thumb,
execute on time.
2 or 3 minutes before the candle closes. If it doesn't break, get up. Remove your buy stop or your sell stop. Buat cepat-cepat. Because sometimes this might just be a liquidity grab, right? You'll drop down and then the next candle is just gonna fly up straight away.
Yeah.
It's very risky unless if you close with a body closure back down. Few seconds to go. We're gonna end the class at 4 o'clock, so because we'll be executing on the next candle. Let's see. J, the cells are still valid. It did break through. This current candle just needs a proper top wick breakdown. That's your cell. Let me readjust this. Right. Isa, once it breaks, your stop loss readjust.
Okay.
It will be on the current top wick.
Got it.
Let's give it a minute. But yeah, the possibility for us to just fly up is still there. Plan A. Sorry, plan C. Come on, man. Push, push, push. Clean range on the left. Should just melt down.
Just need to hit, man.
Yeah, very good. Yours is at break even.
No, break even. I didn't
Alright.
manage to secure them. It's too fast.
Okay, okay. J, on the break of this low is where you go in. We have a proper top wick now.
This low, current low.
Yeah, current candle bottom wick, yes. Let it do its thing first. If it doesn't break, there's no trade. And Isa, don't forget to manage.
Right.
I would say if it breaks its own high, then just get out.
Yeah, I mean,
Right, beautiful. J, just give your trade a little bit of wiggle room for your stop loss. Because we have not tapped the 50% mark, right? Still go with the SOP of risk management, but then if you're a runner, just have a higher stop loss. Stop loss will be at the current topic for now.
I put 30 pips. Stop loss.
From entry. What's your entry point, bro?
4530.98.
453098. 4530.
So my stop loss is the previous candle body.
Ah, okay. 30 pips stop loss. Ooh, quite big. 30 pips is almost the previous candle high. It's too high.
Yeah, it's the
20
previous
pips,
candle
at
high.
least 20 pips.
Bring it down.
20 pips. Yeah, 20 pips should be fine. Because the moment it flips bullish, there's no reason for you to hold the trade. If you hold it all the way at the high, it's just going to break through and fly up. As we discussed earlier, that's your plan C entry. Our whole idea, our whole goal here is we don't want to see price breaking our own high. It should just push down, giving that we have a clean range on the left, right? Clean candle on the left. It should just melt down after breaking a support as well. That's the whole idea.
Wait, let me just adjust this.
Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, Isa in profits. Bro got an earlier entry.
$1, $2.
Let's go, brother. Let's go. 4 to 2. 4 should be
All
good.
right.
Let a runner go. Let a runner go. 50% and then be up.
All
Because
right.
your stop loss is around $12 and sorry. Your stop loss is 9.4 pips. Sempat secure tak?
I didn't get that.
No.
Could you?
Tak, laju sangat. Right.
Yep.
Yeah, so you should have secured actually $12 and we got close to that.
Yeah.
11.
Okay, I'm out.
Out, right, out. How much you lost?
I lost 83 cents.
Ah, that's beautiful, man. You raised
All right.
$8 and you lost 83 cents. Beautiful, beautiful. Jay, you still in or you got out?
I'm still in. Do I get out?
I mean, you need
You
to
hit my stop
manage
loss.
your risk.
Risk secure.
Okay, okay. Then
My stop
that's
loss
your
is
runner,
higher.
correct? Yeah, his
He
stop
lost
loss is
$2, $3,
okay, okay.
24 cents.
I saw it bullish, I just got out. Yeah.
I mean, your entry was higher, so based on your stop loss, what you did was right, Isa.
All right.
If you go with Jay's entry, then yeah, he has to wait for the top week.
All right.
Yeah, I'm just gonna give it another 5 minutes, 5 or 10 minutes. If this guy breaks the high, the previous high, there's a very, very high chance for us to flip back bullish. Just fly up. Looking to see this. But we'll see, we'll see. See, Ong Abang J macam mana.
Boleh beli dah macam tak boleh?
Some numbers rolling. J live or funded?
Live, yeah.
Live, right.
Funded never use it. Wait lah,
you
wait
need to,
tomorrow.
yeah, you need to take a trade this month, don't forget.
Yeah. I'm finding for a nice entry.
I mean, the earlier trade was a nice one, but then you didn't execute. That's the problem.
Yeah,
The
earlier one, this one
buys.
morning,
Morning, was that a good
I
trade?
sent to you one.
Oh yeah, the tight way, correct. But then it didn't really have a
That was a
12
very
week.
good
I
one.
wouldn't have 12 o'clock. I wouldn't have executed 12 o'clock. It's out of session.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
I saw a time after I wondered for a while.
Yeah.
So I just
So
leave it
try
lah.
to just execute trades when your session is there.
So can I
Right? Like
re-enter one
London
more?
Open and all that. Sorry, bro.
Can I enter another one?
Why?
Uh,
It already pushed
I circle
past
half
your
already.
entry point. No. Just let it be. If you
Faham
wanted to
dia.
execute, it would have been at the exact entry point where you got in, not after it pushed
Oh,
down.
yes, ah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
After it push, you execute another one, tiba-tiba you flip up, you're gonna lose double the amount now. Gonna be bad.
Okay.
Right now, if price goes to 50%, get out. There's no reason for price to go back to 50% at this point because we went up, we came back down, and now we are pushing. Your stop loss is, yeah, now we can bring it down, bro. Your stop loss to exactly at the topic. I think you got your 121, 14 pips. No, four more pips to go. 4 more pips. All right, you got your 121. Go break even, bro. Let your TP, let your runner go. Beautiful. Isa, if you didn't execute earlier, would have been a good trade.
The
sell
already.
stop.
Yeah, sell stop.
Yeah, no worries. Another day, another trade.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is a good entry. Our plan A worked out. 23 pips. Beautiful.
All right.
Jay still holding or the secure?
Yeah, still holding. No,
Alright.
I'm trailing a stop loss.
Final TP
All the way down.
4526, 452633. 452633. Don't be too greedy yet.
215.
You put all the way down, then you're gonna hit break even. It'll be a waste.
Yes, 4526, ah.
Yeah, 4526. Let me double check that. 4526. Yeah, 452638 on the previous resistance. Because the idea is
Oh.
price will come tap this area, right? Form a new support and then go back up.
This one
Because
my
everything
beam,
is, yeah, it doesn't matter. I will just have your TP over there. The next 5 can just melt down straight away as well.
Out.
Out?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good. How much you made? $2.
Nothing.
$1.
No, negative.
Negative.
Break. How come negative, bro?
Sweep.
B, ma.
Okay.
I didn't secure because I clear my stop.
Okay. No worries.
I wanted to push over down.
No worries.
I'll flip Jason type B. Flip.
Right, let's see. 5 more minutes, Ni Hawali candle. And that idea might still work out the buys. Right, close as a doji. Next candle break the high, the buy. Let's see. 5 minutes to go.
Type B buy, It looks like
Yeah, it is a type B buy.
15.
Pulse. So everyone executed a trade right today. Everyone, not if no one if anyone missed out on the entry, the 2 entries that we got, just execute the trade. Just wait for the candle to close. Next candle, create a bottom wick, break above, take a buy. Right, you're gonna wait for that. Don't be too greedy. Don't be taking second or third entries. Santai.
All right.
Okay.
And yeah, this trade you can use your demo account. No worries. Just for the sake of executing.
Yeah, use send account.
Yeah, boleh. Oh, we're still live, eh?
Hidup.
Hidup. So we got 3 good trades today. Hope you guys managed to secure 3 entries in 1 hour. 1 hour plus. Right. 3 minutes to go. Ooh, this looks good, man. This looks very good. Beautiful. See if I can get the formation. 75 leceh lah. Zoom in, zoom out. Yeah, this is what we are looking for. This one here. Something like this. Next candle doesn't really need a bottom wick. It can just break and fly up. This candle. Right, 30-minute doji closure, and then the 4th candle break the high, go in for a buy. That's what we are looking for now. Let's see. 2 minutes. 2 more minutes. Good day so far. Very, very good day. 2 wins. I might be executing on the live as well for the buy, because we're going with the direction of the daily at this point.
Yeah.
1 more minute to go. Oh man. Shit. Sebab tak pecah. If this guy breaks now, he's just gonna fly up. We won't have a trade. I don't want it to break now. It's gonna be
The 4 o'clock volume is coming.
Yeah, that's why. It's a bit risky. It looks very, very good, but don't jump in, right? If you miss the trade, you miss the trade. That's it.
All right.
Perfect higher high, higher low as well. Right, few more seconds to go. We do need a proper bottom wick at this point, because now we are overextended. Earlier, we don't really need, because earlier it was a doji candle. Now, because it's a long volume candle, the next candle does need a bottom wick. It does need a proper one. Man, don't break now. Don't break now. If you break now, it's gonna fly out.
You listen.
20 seconds.
Yeah.
1 more minute, 1 minute.
15 seconds. Let's go. Hold. Yeah. Pecah dah. So it's still valid for you to go in, but the problem is you need to extend your stop loss because you don't know where your stop loss is going to be formed. Right? It can be here, it can be at the bottom. But yeah, that's the entry impulse.
Right.
So stop loss is going to be either on the previous candle body or the bottom wick. Ideally, I would place it on the red line and the support. So it's going to be about 45 pips. Yeah, should up. But it's a new 1 minute candle, so let the 1 minute play around first. Yeah, this is what I don't like with this type of candle close. You see, it's coming back down. The problem is sometimes you will miss the trade, it will just fly up. So it's best to extend your stop loss. Go with a smaller lot size and then extend your stop loss. 10 pips. There we go. There we go. Come on, man. Let's go. Hit TP. Final TP will be on the resistance. Somewhere about 454054. 454054. Yeah, third win for the day, man. Beautiful. Trade is risk free at this point. Isa, you got in?
Yeah, bro.
Alright, secured?
Nope.
Nope. Alright. But yeah, essentially that is your 1-to-1. You risk around, stop loss was 10 pips. You got 16 pips. That's your 1-to-1 there. On, brother. On.
Oh, I think there's a spread on my Sen account.
Yes, send at the spread besar.
Yeah.
Zero spread tak ada. Zero spread is about how big is the spread? Yeah, 1.2 pips.
Very small.
Yeah, very small. Sorry, 1 pip. Basically nothing. What's your entry point, bro? Isa?
My entry point on this one is 4536. I got swept.
Alright. Very small loss, right? Because you managed your stop loss higher, right? That's the trick. But essentially you got your 1-to-1. I just said you didn't secure you. So now when we go down, we'll leave behind a proper bottom wick, right? As long as we don't break or even close below the support and reflip back to the upside. Now that is a valid entry, a better entry. Something here. And you have a bottom wick around 20-30 pips plus minus 50% of the previous candle. And then if it flips, that's your proper type B buy. With confirmation. I think this is what the price did on the previous entry as well, exactly the same thing.
Goes back down and it pushed all
and
the
then
way.
after that tolak balik atas. Right. It should be a new Hao 4 candle. Why is it not? Weird. Five more minutes, Vichao. 4:10.
All right.
See if this guy works out or not to buy here.
Are you guys in the trade?
No. I'm waiting for the flip here. 25.2 pips. Gonna be risking about $2, half of what we made earlier. You can just look at the panel here, bro. At the bottom, if I put a buy stop, it will be there. If I'm in a trade, the trade will be there. So just look at that. The terminal at the bottom. Yeah. Ooh, pause and go on the 5. Let's go. This needs to break through. This will be the 4th trick for the day. So with the smaller account, Isa, be very, very aggressive with your closures. 1-to-1 immediately. You need to be
Alright.
up. Because
Alright, bro.
the moment you let it float, you're just gonna lose around $5, $6, $7, and that's gonna take up a lot of percentage from your account.
Okay, bro.
Beautiful. Right, look at that. Beautiful. Right, happy with that. $28. $2 more, I'm up $30. Let's go, man. Let's go. Secure. Everyone took the trade.
I didn't want
Yep.
Yeah, but then exactly as we discussed, it worked out. Last trade for the day, 4th win for the day. Beautiful.
Oh, man. Alright.
All in 1 hour.
All win
Beautiful.
streak.
Right, congrats everyone. Good trades, and that's about it for today. No more trades after this. I will see you guys for besok New York. If but then the thing is, London is very good at the session, but yeah. difficult. It's fine. Once everyone is profitable, we go back to London.
Alright. Yeah, bro.
Semua dah angkat Rolls Royce, semua dah angkat
Yeah.
Lambo.
All the resign. Open
Yeah.
few mega corp.
I'll just buy up an office, and then we can sit and trade there.
Settle,
Yeah,
bro.
also.
At the trading house.
Yeah.
Oh,
Right,
Only
hope
that
you guys
much
learned a
also.
lot. And this year, Isa is very important for you, working
Mhm.
around the candles.
Alright.
Right, we waited for structure, and then we went into the buy. We got a good trade. I mean, you got slipped a little bit, but yeah, it still made some profits there. Good enough.
Yeah.
All right, so that's about it for today. Congrats, everyone. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Okay.
Gerak lu,
See you.
Papa Roja.
Bro.
Okay, bro. Thanks, bro.
Bye-bye.
Bye, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Bye,
Bye.
guys.
All right.
Thanks, everyone.
Gerak lu,
Bye.
Papa
Bye.
Roja.